Welcome to Free Shit with Sean, Holiday Edition. I think this free shit thing may be getting out of hand, but anyway, I'm happy to be able to help small businesses and artists, so fuck it. And I spy with my big wooden painted eye thing that my friend Ted Babcock left here the other day after too many fucking drinky poos. Wait, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, folks send me free shit and I try to help them out. So yeah, I spy a whole lot of shit to open. So welcome to Free Shit Holiday Speed Round. And first up, there's the last of the knives that a small family-owned business called Holtzman Guerrilla Survival sent me, and I'm stoked on these new folding knives. I like them so much, I'm retiring my Kershaw and will be carrying one of these fuckers around on the daily instead. These knives are sharp as fuck. They come with a little case and its own sharpening stone, and the action is like fucking butter. I seriously do love these damn things. Highly recommend for all your cutting, slicing, poking needs. Alright, next up is from OK Clay Shop. Elizabeth Owen and her husband Tim Kennard are artists and potters down in Mississippi, and talk about family owned. Even their two young kids help making ceramic magnets and pinch pots and shit. And ho ho ho, let's make it fucking snow. Well, if this isn't the perfect way to drink coffee in the morning and get your head right for the day and say fuck it, then I don't know what is. This cup is serious quality, no shit. Plus they sent 2 little cups too for having drinky poos, and I love these little indents so your dumbass won't drop it. Well, speaking of drinky poos, we better test it out. Cheers, these motherfuckers, and thank you, OK Clay Shop. Mwah. Looks like wifey poo's stealing that shit. I'm feeling Christmassy as fuck up in this bitch. Alright, what's next? Next up is healing shit from Earthworth. They sell full-spectrum organic CBD products for both humans and pets. If you don't know about CBD, you should Google that shit. And their topicals can help with dry skin, eczema, bug bites, itches, psoriasis, healing tattoos, and tinctures can help with pain, arthritis, fibromyalgia, headaches, seizures, insomnia, brain trauma, cell growth, MS Crohn's, or just general well-being. Helps pets with pain and anxiety, and here's some good folks doing good shit. Thanks, Earthworth. Alright, next up is from Leatherhead Laserworks. Now, this guy's a fireman who makes all kinds of cool shit. Definitely check out his Insta and Linktree, but use the new knifey poo. And I gotta say, I love getting creative, cool, weird-ass shit like this thing. But first, it looks like it's pretty important for him to establish that Die Hard is a fucking Christmas movie. I've got no problem with that, so let's see what we've got here. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with what an advent calendar is, but it's been a thing since the early 19th century, German originally, but it's a way to count down the holidays, and this one here uses Hans Gruber's ass falling out of Nakatomi Towers to track the days. He also sent me a Hans Gruber ornament and a Die Hard ornament. Fucking weirdo. I love it. There he goes, falling towards Christmas. Happy trails, Hans. Oh, and here comes Bruce Willis all yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Pew, 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 pew. Look at the attention to detail on this thing. Nakatomi Tower. Good shit, Leatherhead Laserworks. Go check his shit out. I spy with my big weird fucking eye. Some more free shit, that's what. What's next? This one. Another thing I really like learning about is the goings-on and unknown little traditions of different places right here in the old U.S. And this here is sent from Amy D. of Coal Country Boilo. Boilo is a little-known alcoholic holiday drink from the anthracite coal region of Pennsylvania. And Coal Country Boilo is keeping their local traditions alive with their secret family recipe. And look at that, they even sent a special discount code. These seem like good folks to me. They also do fundraisers for local historical societies and libraries and shit like that. Alright, here's the fucking deal. This drink has roots in Eastern Europe, and then it was tweaked by American coal miners back in the day. Think complex hot toddy. It was also called the coal miner's cure and was a way to make shitty booze taste better. You basically add certain kinds of fruit and honey to the spice pack, simmer it, and then add the devil water at the end. Be it Shine, or you can use JMO, whatever fucking kind of alcohol you want. And look at all these health benefits, but if it doesn't cure you, you'll at least be too hammered to give a shit. Well, we're excited to try it. The recipe book has some interesting history and all kinds of variations. If you are salted caramel boilo, ginger spice boilo, citrus bliss boilo, peach bourbon boilo, root beer motherfucking float boilo. Anyway, you get it. And I think we're going to adopt us a new damn tradition. Maybe you should too, but I'm not the fucking boss of you. Thanks for new tradition, Coal Country Boilo. Now, I don't just do this because I like free shit. I like seeing what kinds of things people are putting out into the world. It warms my curmudgeon-y old heart, too, to be able to help them out. Next up, we've got some art from Ryan and Simone Sutage. They didn't mention any sites they want pimped. They're just sending me a nice fucking gift. But I found their Instas if you want to stalk them. Anyway, here's what they sent. Look at this thing here. I'm calling it the All-Seeing Golden Vajayjay. And this collage painting they did, though, I really fucking like this thing. The color, the magic words and symbols, the vintage eye surgery prints woven into this thing. I see a spell of manifest reality. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, then open your damn eye. Thanks, you two. You're fucking awesome. Okay, next we've got some free shit from Brandon Smith, who owns Imagine 3D Studio Shop on Etsy, and he does badass 3D printed garden stakes. Look at these fuckers. You've got your chili pepper, you've got your garlic, your fucking potato, tomato, you got a cucumber ribbed for a Smurf's pleasure. Corny, I know. Pumpkin and eggplant. I'm going to stick this in my zipper so people know I have a big bulbous purple thing in there. I know. Wait, is it purple? Will you check, dear? It's not purple, dumbass. I bet you could make it purple. Maybe let's just move on. Move on to this cool shit right here from Gil Tech. He does custom knife and pew-pew design, but look at these fucking badass things he invented here. They're called RUCs, which stands for Rapid Utility Knife. Basically, it's a design that allows you to carry around a razor blade wherever you want, maybe even in your ass crack. I don't know what you're into, but it's fucking brilliant. You push on the blade, which allows it to slide forward and lock into place, and then you push again and it locks back, completely covering the sharp parts. So, I mean, you could tuck it under a boob should you find yourself engaged in naked box opening activities. Anywho, it's so simple and elegant, no moving parts really other than the razor blade to break or get fucked up, so I'm loving it. He sent me a plastic one, an aluminum one that's also a bottle opener, and a titanium version that has like a little flathead screwdriver deal. Anyway, it's badass. I'm going to keep one in my truck, one in my man purse, and one under my balls for no other reason than now I can actually safely carry a sharp thing under my balls. Thanks, Gil Tech. These are fucking cool inventions. Everyone should have one of these damn things under their balls. Or boob. Or fucking pocket, I guess. Whatever. Alright, we're going to open this next thing with a ruck. Duh. Mine smells like balls, though. It's okay. This is from Over the Edge Creations on Facebook. Leonard says he's an old retired guy that likes doing custom counters and floors and shit, but also makes these trays for folks. It's nice work. This one has some vintage stickers in it, so if you need a tray, let him know. People never believe me, but I don't need this particular kind of tray. I'm fucking weird enough already, but I will be gifting it to Ferniculus in your name, so thanks, Leonard. Alright, we're fucking getting there. Okay, next up is from Kowalczyk Salves, who can be found at grandmawillow.com. Amy is a beekeeper from Minnesota with a medical background and makes healthy natural shit to make you feel mo better. And you can pause and read that if you fucking want. But anyway, let's just fucking dig in, shall we? Here's her Shangri-La and CBD herb-infused cream. Good for anxiety, depression, muscle, joint pain, tissue repair, and why can't I open this fucking thing? Okay, there we go. And yeah, you know what? It's fucking lovely. And then you've got your Transcendence cream for burns, cuts, scrapes, scars, wrinkles. It's got royal jelly and shit in it. And your soothing salve. It soothes shit. It's fucking hard to say. Soothes shit. Soothes. Fuck it. Pain salve for, pain, in case that wasn't fucking clear. And, a mustache taming wax. Well, good luck taming my shit, but we'll see. And, this is high quality shit, and it is wifey poo approved. She loves this sort of thing. And she makes me smell everything, and I go, ooh, yeah, that's good. Wow, yeah. Anyway, but let's see how this wax does on the old Alpha Stash. Well, there you go. As advertised, motherfucking mustache wax. Boom. Thanks, Amy. No doubt I'll be smelling like your awesome shit for a long time now. I can put this one on my icky back, and I can use this one on my face. And I wonder if this one will make Sean's balls smell good. Oh, it smells so good. Mustache wax. Will it work on my mustache? I wonder if it'll work on my lady beard. Just kidding. Fuck off. In case you didn't know, wifey poo's pretty fucking hilarious sometimes. When she's not mad at me, that is. Alright, we're there. Last but definitely not least is from All Y'all's Food, a little business out of Texas that makes plant-based jerky. And I opened this for a peek earlier and ate a whole damn bag immediately, so yeah, I fucking like it. Now, if you're a hardcore meat-eating motherfucker who doesn't go for fake meat, then don't fucking buy it. It's that simple. But if you're an omnivore like me and you like shit that tastes good, then I recommend it. They've got all kinds of cool flavors: prickly pear, teriyaki, black pepper, and sea salt, and they've got bacon bits, etc. Okay, here's the deal. The first bite, your brain says, oh, that's not meat. And then your second bite, your brain says, who gives a fuck? This shit is good. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, you'll love it for sure. Also, if you're an open-minded omnivore, maybe you're someone whose doctor recently said, get your shit together, you're going to have a fucking heart attack, then maybe this is for you too. It's healthy, it's tasty, but do what the fuck you want. And it is wifey poo approved. See, it's fucking healthy. Look, wifey poo gave me a little CBD hand job. I spy a big blue eye down by my brown eye. Alright, enough of this shit. Happy holidays, fuckers. Toodaloo.